Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to review how to use the Horizon 24 Flex Emergency Unlock. How to use the Horizon 24 Flex Emergency Unlock. Before we get started, make sure you've tried all the usual methods to get your centrifuge open. If you need a quick review on the centrifuge lock system, click the video guide linked on your screen now. If your centrifuge loses power while locked or the Stop Unlock button otherwise becomes disabled, you'll need to use the Emergency Unlock. To use the Emergency Unlock, you'll need a flat object to peel up one of your centrifuge's labels and a pointed object to pull the unlock switch. We use a flathead screwdriver and a pen, but any similar objects will work. The Emergency Unlock is located underneath the Open/Close sticker, just in front of the rotor chamber. Use the screwdriver to peel up the sticker. The emergency unlock is accessible through the small hole in the cabinet. Place the tip of the pen in the hole and pull forward. The lock will disengage. Now you can turn the lid latch a quarter turn counterclockwise and access the rotor chamber. Using the emergency unlock may damage your open/close sticker. If you need a new one, or if you have any questions about your Horizon 24 Flex safety lid system, you can contact Drucker Diagnostics and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.